The sun never sets. Unveiling the idiomatic expression. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase: the sun never sets. It's a phrase you might have come across in books, movies, or even in casual conversations. But what does it really mean? Let's break it down together, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it in your own conversations. The sun never sets is an idiom, which means it's a phrase whose meaning isn't directly related to the individual words that make it up. At face value, it seems to describe a situation where the sun is always in the sky, never disappearing below the horizon. However, its true meaning goes much deeper than a literal nightless day. This phrase is often used to describe something that is global or never-ending. Historically, it was associated with large empires on which the sun never set, meaning they were so vast that, somewhere within their territories, it was always daylight. The most famous use of this expression was in reference to the British Empire. At its height, the British Empire was the largest empire in history, and its territories were spread across the globe. Because of this, there was always some part of the empire where it was daylight. Hence, the sun never sets on the British Empire. This phrase has since been used to describe other large empires and, more broadly, anything with a global presence or influence. Today, the phrase, "the sun never sets," can be used in a variety of contexts, not just to describe empires. It can refer to businesses, technologies, ideas, or anything that has a continuous operation or influence around the world. For example, you might hear someone say, "The sun never sets on the internet," highlighting the internet's global reach and 24/7 availability. When using this phrase, it's important to remember that it carries a sense of grandeur and omnipresence. It's a powerful way to express the vastness or unending nature of something. Here are a few examples. The sun never sets on global commerce. This could be used to talk about the continuous nature of international trade. For a true adventurer, the sun never sets. This might describe the endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. And there you have it, a deep dive into the meaning and use of the phrase, "the sun never sets." We hope this explanation illuminates not just the historical significance of the idiom but also how you can incorporate it into your own English usage. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar. It's about the stories and ideas those words convey. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together. Happy learning!